On the app login screen, you'll see a button at the bottom that says Request or Find Help. Tapping that brings us to the client portal. First, we'll need to create an account, which we can do by tapping the button. Here you'll enter some basic information. While you have the option to add a phone number, only an email address is required to proceed here. Once you tap Create Account at the bottom, you'll notice a pop-up that lets you know you've been emailed a link to set your password. At the main login page of the app, we'll tap on Find or Request Help again, and now we can log into the client portal using our email address. Once you've logged in, you'll see the client portal homepage. The left sidebar has the same options as the tiles on the homepage: My Profile, Requests, and Resource Directory. First, we'll tap My Profile. Here you can edit the information you've provided and add additional information if you feel comfortable doing so. All the information here is optional to provide. After you're finished updating, hit the Save button at the bottom. Next up is the profile details. Here you can add information on your background should you choose to do so, like your education or job history. You can also jot down some short-term needs and goals that outreach workers in your community will be able to see in order to direct you to the best resources. Here is a good place to put some important information you want people to know so they can help. Back on the home page of the client portal, we'll next tap on Requests. Requests are submitted directly to the people in your community that are working with homeless individuals. First, we'll tap on the plus button in the bottom right. Then we'll tap the Request button. The survey asks some information about where you slept last night, your current safety levels, what you think you need the most to end your homelessness, or prevent yourself from becoming homeless. There is also an option to self-identify with any special populations that you might be a part of in order to direct you to more specific services for those populations. After hitting Submit at the bottom, you'll see a pop-up indicating the success, and then a tile showing your request. After your request has been opened and assigned to someone, you'll be able to see that information in the Request Help section. You can see that it says In Process now and is assigned to a project. Last up is the Public Resource Directory, which we'll access by tapping Find Resources. When it opens up, you immediately see all the possible ways to search for resources. There are tags, specific service categories, project types, and a general search bar at the top. You can select more than one tile at a time, and the filters will limit the search to just those items. Here we can see that the filters I've applied limit me to one project. After tapping Show Result, I can now see on the map the project that was filtered. Tapping on the project shows the project details, like the name of the project, location, email, and contact phone number. Tapping the address will open your phone's maps, and tapping the phone number will call the project. We can modify our search, and also view results in a list. Some projects have services listed, which you can see demonstrated here. And that's the client portal user account. Thanks for watching.